The off-road electric pallet truck equipped with a standing kit, ergonomic independent operating handle. The pedals can be folded and stowed easily and flexibly. Rubber-covered pedals, skid-proof and safe. Heavy-duty 360 auxiliary wheel, damping and flexible. Driving is efficient and smooth. Driving is efficient and smooth. Flexible and smooth, moving at will. Free your feet, save energy and very efficient. Turn easily and flexibly, and go wherever you want. Let's look at the Carvo driving performance. Easy to drive and transport, flexible and free. Triple efficiency, and workers don't get tired. Let's see how it performs in a small space. Get in and out easily without stress. Transporting goods more efficiently. Easy to use, easy to learn, easy to drive, useful and inexpensive. Especially suitable for long distance and large volume transportation. Yes, you need this stand-on transport tool.